Good morning, Keller Williams Leadership. It's Scott Tolar, MAPS leadership coach and team leader here. And today we're going to talk about how you can actually create content for your ads through designs. So, first of all, you're going to go over here to the left side of your screen. You're going to click on the Designs button, and then you'll go over to the right side. You'll hit the plus button here, and you'll choose whether you want email, social, or print. For creating content for Facebook and Instagram, you're going to want to click that social button there. Then you'll click Create Template. And then if you have a listing that you want to feature, you can do that right there. That's going to be more on the agent side of things for advertising their listings. If you don't want anything there, you can click the X, or you can simply click off the screen, and it will reload your designs templates here on the screen. Now there's a bunch of different options. There's leadership, there's holiday greetings, there's for sale, there's just listed. Don't worry about what the content on there is, just find something that you like. So let's say that we want to go with this one right here. We can click Use Template, let it load, and if you noticed up at the top it said Facebook, Instagram, and there were a few other options up there. What that does is it formats it specifically for those forms of media so that you're not having to worry about changing size, and it knows that everything will fit in there. So right here you can go up to the top, click the delete button for your name. If you have a logo in there already that you've uploaded, you can automatically just drag it and drop it over here onto the screen. If you don't have a logo, you can choose the company ones, and then the KWDBA, the Labs logo, or just the KW ones, and it's going to come up with all of the different options that are in there already for you. So for the sake of what we're doing, we're going to go ahead and use the KW Georgetown logo, and then you just manage whatever content that you want to put on here. So maybe you're looking for brand new agents. Hey, what would it look like to have a career in real estate? Or have you considered joining? Have you considered joining a real estate company that's going to support you in your goals? And then you just make that content whatever you want it to be. And as soon as you've done that, make sure that I want to make sure you realize that you can change any of this stuff on here. And if you need to add additional text, you simply click the button over here on the left side of the screen, click Add, and then when you choose any of these different things like title here, it's going to drop that right there on the screen, and then you can go in and edit it. So let's say we want it to be white, and we want to change the font to something a little more, a little more scriptive. So we could just change it right there, and now we've got that. And then you'll simply click, once you've done whatever it is you want to put in here, you're going to simply click the download button. I like to set it to the highest setting there. And for Facebook, you're going to want a JPEG, and then click Start Download. You're going to give it a second. It's going to take a few seconds to actually get it to go through that process. And then if you're using Chrome, down on the bottom left side of the screen, you're going to see that it pops up with what you've just created. And there we go. What we've just created is now right there. So you can go into your campaigns from there, customize it, drag it, and drop this ad that you've just created into there. And that's all you've got to do. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.